this video, we're checking out the best. Tired of scrubbing grease that never seems to leave? Bathroom corners, grout lines, and car seats eat up time. And harsh cleaners still leave stains, fumes, and residue. Meet the portable steam cleaner built for real-life messes. It heats up in just 15 seconds. High-temperature steam reaches 221 degrees Fahrenheit with 3 bars pressure. That means stubborn grime loosens fast, without extra effort. Powerful 1500 W performance handles everyday deep cleaning easily. Switch between 6 steam levels with simple touch controls. Dial down for delicate surfaces, crank up for tough buildup. Cleaning feels smarter when the power matches the job. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold. The 1, 2, 5-liter tank supports longer cleaning sessions. Fill, clean, drain, and keep moving without hassle. A 6-foot steam hose gives you better reach. The 492-foot power cord adds extra flexibility around rooms. Use the included 16 accessories for almost any surface. Brushes, scraper, nozzle, cloth, and gloves cover more tasks. Clean floors, sofas, windows, kitchens, bathrooms, and car interiors. Even tire treads and upholstery get a fresh finish. No chemicals, no toxic fumes, no messy residue, just pure steam for a safer home environment. It's a practical choice for families, pet areas, and cars. Before, greasy grout, sticky counters, dusty upholstery. After, cleaner surfaces, brighter spaces, and less scrubbing. One machine tackles home cleaning and car detailing together. That saves time, space, and money in the long run. If you want easier deep cleaning, this is it. Fast heat up, adjustable steam, and accessories make sense. Get yours today and make tough cleaning feel simple. You can check today's best price from the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite gadget.